In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to exclude folders from Windows Search on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select the search tile. On the left panel, select searching Windows. And then on the right side where it says exclude folders, search will not look in the following folders. Add or remove folders to personalize your search experience. Select the add and excluded folder button there. Locate the folder. Select the select folder button once you have finished or located it. And if you want to remove an excluded folder later, you just select the folder and then select remove excluded folder, and then it will appear in Windows Search once again. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.